Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate ClickUp with Okta SSO step by step clearly. To authenticate ClickUp with Okta SSO, start by logging into your Okta account. Navigate to the admin dashboard. In the Applications section, click on Applications. Select Add Application from the options available. Search for ClickUp in the application catalog. Once ClickUp appears, click on it to begin the setup. Follow the prompts to configure the application settings. Enter the required parameters, such as the application name and sign-on options. For the single sign-on URL, use the URL provided by ClickUp. Next, configure the audience URI by entering the value specified by ClickUp. After you've filled in the necessary details, click Next to proceed. Review the application settings to ensure everything is correct. Once verified, click Finish to complete the configuration. Now, go to the Sign On tab for the newly added ClickUp application. Download the metadata file provided by Okta. Access your ClickUp account and navigate to the SSO settings. Upload the Okta metadata file into your ClickUp SSO settings. Make sure to enable SSO for your ClickUp workspace. Save the settings to apply the changes. Test the SSO configuration by logging out of ClickUp and attempting to log in through Okta. If successful, you should be redirected back to ClickUp without needing to enter your credentials again. In case of any issues, revisit the configuration steps to ensure all details are correct. That's it. You have successfully authenticated ClickUp with Okta SSO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.